What do you think will be like the toughest challenge in the years to come now, since we're talking about disruption? Uh, how would you keep the whole concept of your workflow and workspace functure ready in the years to come? Today we've seen so much disruption. We talked about companies going the tier 2, tier 3 route that we hadn't seen a few years ago. I don't think Corbato saw so much leasing in the last 10 years as much as it saw in the last 1 year. Having said that, in that aspect, what do you foresee would be some challenges that could possibly come up?
There are few things which we have in mind. So the basic variant, because it's flex, the footfall is actually more here. And to have it, we have to first address the basic variant there, then and there itself, instead of accumulating and then doing a discount. Where our cost is also less. So that's one I would say. And we have to be smart enabled. I mean, when the client is coming, if I have to upgrade my, IT and IDs equipment, we'll have to be ready for that and for them to have a seamless experience, because at the end of the day, even a single minute disruption, the clients are not okay. And so that
acceptable.
exactly. See the
Exactly.
So that's why we have this backup, and so we have to be ready with personal technology as well. And the third one, I would say, hygiene, because the office has to be ready to use. When they just walk in, it has to be. It's not only about cleanliness and all. It's just ready to use condition is what we have to know. That's what I see. And these are the three important things that we should first plan.